Kasor ka jela kala pelong ya kajung jurep ya kiyeng balarem bakentup ya kiyeng sakna maga jela. Aba pentip ya kenie umin turang ba u Konrad Sangma ula batai. Ya katnat revenue ba disaster management ban pelong ya kajung jurep. Unong ai ktien kasor kar MDA ba apol lengdo ula ong bala khmi lenti ba ya kajung jurep. Onla ban pendap apo saw hadu nyo benai. Ula pentip ba barok kiyeng sakna mken long ki benta jong kene kajung jurep. Syu uba pol ula ong ba on pentamai ke State Central Library Complex bat umenturang ba ula thong yo mau nongrem ban pen KM ya ke Library Complex.
Well, this is a subject that actually belongs to the Revenue and Disaster Management Department. The Chief Minister has instructed the department to conduct and complete in a time-bound manner a safety audit of all buildings, especially old and Assam type buildings, and we expect this to be completed in a span of 4 to 6 months.
Well, from the art and culture.
For instance, I can tell you that today the State Central Library Complex will be given a facelift. The Chief Minister is inaugurating, laying the foundation stone of a rejuvenated library complex later today. So that also includes elements of safety.
Ki pulet ke jela ke layok kiam ya laingot ki brew ke bedon keti